Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, me and him don't even worry about him. He just talk. He just do too much. I don't even know. But let's get straight into the video. Let's get a vehicle and let's drive and go get a house. Because bruh, I'm bored. Oh my god. Y'all can get his username. I won't even talk to him like that. I don't even know that person. I'll just be friending random people at this point. But come on, get in the freaking car. Get in the freaking car. Okay. So, boy, be quiet. I'm not even doing nothing. I'll just say I'm filming a YouTube video. Okay. Filming. I don't even care. At this point, you better just. He talking about who is that? Oh. Come on now. Oh my god, we could talk about this when we can. That's he get on my nerves. And I already showed y'all. But this is his other account that he don't regularly get on. I don't even know what he's doing right now because at this point he just BRB boy, you know I can't chat while I'm driving. I'm already filming a video and then I'm driving. Let my door open, boy. But look, see, I know the nails look crusty. Don't worry about it. Okay? But y'all enjoy this video. I'm finna end this video. But I'm gonna give y'all some updates. But bye. Bye, queens.